As North Carolina legislators work out the state budget for the next 2 years and decide how to spend billions of dollars, early child care advocates are calling for lawmakers to make their industry a priority.
Yeah, providers say they fear there will be a mass exodus of employees if funding is not made available to support vital programs in early education. WCNC Charlotte's Jesse Pierre spoke to residents and parents and local child care advocates about this.
Child care providers and families are making a final plea to state lawmakers to increase investment in early childhood education. They say the funding is necessary so they can keep their doors open.
Let's put it this way, our child care providers spend as much time with our children as I do as a parent. And so it is so important to me that they are cared for and that they are treated as the valuable professionals that they are.
Child care centers provide kids a safe space to learn and grow. It's a space families across the state depend on.
As a parent, this is crucial because I rely on preschool and the resources here to take care of my children during the day so that I can go to work. The preschool is the place where my children are learning the most foundational skills they need to be good citizens someday.
Emma Biggs with Pathway Preschool Center says the early child care industry is at risk of collapse if federal money made available during the pandemic set to expire in December is not replenished.
This money was helped us to be able to sustain the staff that we have.
Child care providers keeping their eye on the state budget in the works because without the proper funding, they fear more educators will walk out. Fewer employees means fewer kids providers can take in, and that means empty classrooms.
Without that $300 million that we're asking for and have been asking for, it would allow them to lose on average between $3 and $5 an hour when grant funding ends at the end of the year.
Biggs says the money is needed to stabilize the industry and support working families.
This is actually a movement for us. It's important that they understand that we're not going nowhere.
Child Care for North Carolina and the National Domestic Workers Alliance are hosting a virtual rally tonight on this push. All of the info can be found at WCNC.com. House and Senate budget conferees are expected to present the final proposal by the end of the month. Jesse Pierre, WCNC Charlotte.